small business owner looking to take your company to the next level? Do you want to know the secret to assessing financing and build a strong credit profile? Well, in today, I'm going to unveil the power of business credit. And in this video, I'll explain business credit, why it's important, and most importantly, how you can use your DUNS number to build a strong business credit profile. I know navigating the business world could be overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm going to break it all down to you. So sit tight and get ready to unlock the full potential of your business with this ultimate guide of business credit. Do you know what business credit is? It's merely a measure of your company's credit worthiness. Much like your personal credit score reflects the strength of your own finances, a good company credit score can assist you in obtaining funding, negotiating a better loan and credit line terms, and even luring in new investors. But it takes time and effort to establish and improve your business credit. Building a strong payment history with your suppliers and vendors is one place to start. You may establish a good credit history, which is an important step in creating a credit profile, by paying your bills on time and in full. Maintaining low credit utilization is a crucial component of growing your business credit. Using an excessive amount of available credit will lower your credit score, just like it might on your personal credit, which is why you must aim to pay off your accounts full each month and keep your credit utilization low. That's why in today's video, it is sponsored by Dun Bradstreet, your one-stop destination for all things related to business credit. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow, Dun Bradstreet has the tools you need to save time and money and reach your goal. With Dun Bradstreet Credit Signal and a free tool, you'll get alerts on changes in your DNB paydex score, financial stress score, delinquency predictor score, and supplier evaluation risk rating for 14 days. Stay informed and make smarter decisions on your business. Plus, when you sign up for Credit Signal, you'll receive a monthly summary of your business file activity and see how often your credit file is being assessed. I provided a link in the description section to check your business credit. Head on over to Dun Bradstreet to build your business credit profile and even monitor other companies' credit profile in real time. Remember, your business credit journey begins with Dun Bradstreet. It can be challenging to negotiate with suppliers, but it doesn't have to be. Be assured, organized and amiable is important. Remember that your goal is to find a win-win solution that both sides benefits from, and not to bully or intimidate your suppliers. So how do you strike advantageous deals with your suppliers? Do your research beforehand. Use the price other suppliers charge for comparable goods and services as leverage during negotiation. Also, you can bargain based on the number of your orders. You have more negotiating power the more you order. Another strategy is offering the provider something of value in exchange for better terms or pricing. For instance, you might propose paying in advance or in bigger amounts to receive a discount. In exchange for a better deal, you may offer to advertise their goods and services on your website or social media page. Building a strong relationship with your suppliers is so crucial. Be kind and respectful, and express gratitude for their efforts. This can help build trust and increase your suppliers' willingness to cooperate with you. Now, the next step is to keep track of your finances first. It could be so boring to do this, but it is so essential for your company's success. Make sure you're recording all your transactions, costs, and income with accuracy. This will assist you in maintaining control of your money and assisting you in making decisions about directions of your company. Managing your cash flow is a crucial component of ensuring your overall financial stability of your company. This includes monitoring your incoming and outgoing funds to make sure you have enough to pay your bills and put money towards investment chances for growth. Feel free to haggle over payment terms with your clients or vendors to ensure consistent cash flow. Another smart move is to set up a reliable emergency fund, because you can never predict when unforeseen costs or setbacks may occur. Having the cushions can help you weather the storm and keep your business alive. The next step is to open a separate company's checking account and credit card. This will not only make it simpler for you to manage your accounts, but it will also establish credit, particularly for your company. Also, you won't have to deal with the hassle of having to distinguish between personal and company activities at tax time. I promise that your accountant will appreciate it. And we all know that utilizing personal finances for your company can be alluring, particularly in the beginning when cash flow may be limited. But believe me, when I say that the risk is not worth it. Combining personal and business funds can result in a variety of concerns, such as legal troubles and financial complications. And don't be concerned if opening a company's bank account or credit card will result in additional fees. For smaller enterprises like yourself, several banks provide choices that are free or inexpensive. The advantages of maintaining separate funds also exceeds the disadvantages by a large margin. The next step is to confirm that your company is correctly registered with your state and the federal government. This includes submitting the proper documentation and acquiring any applicable license or permits. It's more intimidating than it seems, so don't worry. Many states have simplified their online registration procedures, making it simple to start your business. You must receive an EIN number from the IRS after registering your business. This is a 9-digit number, serves as your company's equivalent of a Social Security number, and is necessary for a variety of significant operations, including opening a business bank account and receiving business credit. If you would like to know more on our step-by-step process how to obtain your EIN, that video is linked in the description section. Speaking of business credit, establishing credit, especially for your company with an EIN, can be important for obtaining financing and expanding your company. So let's face it, who doesn't enjoy the thought of having extra money to put into their company? Another advantage of registering your company and receiving an EIN is that it gives your company more credibility. This can provide you an advantage over rivals who might need to be registered appropriately, and help you establish confidence with potential clients, partners, and investors. So now let's discuss building your business credit profile. Everyone is aware of the importance of having good credit for personal finances, but did you know that your business needs it as well? That is correct. Building a solid corporate credit record can aid in the financing, supplier connections, and even client attraction. So how do you create a business credit profile? Applying for a DUNS number from Dun Bradstreet is the initial step. To create a corporate credit profile, you must have a 9-digit number which functions as your company's equivalent of a Social Security number. Applying is simple, and best of all, is totally free. Applying for credit with vendors and suppliers will help you create your business credit profile once you have your DUNS number. To have a good credit history, make sure to pay your payments on time and in full. Your company's credit profile will develop over time, and lenders and suppliers will use it to determine your company's credit worthiness. Let's discuss now how to secure trade lines. Even though everyone agrees that cash is king, in some instances, when you must use credit in order to keep your business operating efficiently, securing trade credit from suppliers and vendors is an excellent approach to establishing your company's credit history. As explained below, you can buy goods or services on credit when you build a trade credit relationships with suppliers or vendors. Then, within a predetermined time frame, typically 30, 60, or 90 days, you must repay them. You may build a good credit history for your company and raise your credit score by paying on time or even early. Further advantages of developing good trade credit relationships with suppliers and vendors, including negotiating better term payments and receiving discounts on future purchases. Also, it can assist you in establishing credibility and trust with your suppliers, which may result in long-term relationships and even recommendation. Therefore, it's important to use your trade credit carefully and avoid taking on more than you can handle. Just spend money you can afford to repay properly and monitor your credit usage to prevent exceeding your credit limit. Did you know that getting a business credit card might help you establish a credit history for your company? It's true. You may establish a solid credit history and raise your credit score by using business credit card properly. After you have the card, you may make purchases for your business while collecting points. But the real secret is to use it sensibly by paying your bills on time and maintaining a low credit use ratio. Doing this may build a solid credit history and demonstrate to lenders that you're a trustworthy borrower. Of course, it is important to remember that a business credit card does not grant you permission to spend at will. Just use it for the expenses related to your business that you can afford to pay back on time, and monitor your credit utilization to prevent exceeding your credit limit. A company credit can effectively develop your business credit profile and some responsibility and discipline. So next, if you want to raise your company's credit rating, it's easy. Pay your payments on time, if possible. Consistently meeting your financial duties to your company and paying your bills on time demonstrates to lenders your responsibility as a borrower and can raise your credit score. Consider it like this. Would you give someone money who consistently misses bill payments? Most likely not. The same sentiment is shared by lenders. You can prove that you're a trustworthy borrower who can be relied upon to repay loans and credit on time by paying your bills on time. Don't leave it to the last minute to pay the bills next time is due. Instead, pay it on time or as early as you can. Your credit rating will appreciate it. Did you know that significant aspect of maintaining a good credit score is keeping an eye on your company's credit reports? That is right. You can make sure everything is accurate and current by routinely monitoring your reports from important credit reporting agencies, including Dun Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. After all, mistakes do occur. Someone may have reported a payment as late when it wasn't, or perhaps your company's information contains an error. You can find these problems in your credit report and take actions to correct them before they lower your score by monitoring your accounts regularly. Don't be frightened to explore those credit reports and find out what's happening. Even though it might not be the most exciting thing to do, but it's unquestionably one of the most important. Do you want to maintain a perfect credit score? Next, check to see if your public records are accurate. That entails remaining current with all the annoying rules and procedures that comes with operating a corporation. I'm talking about fees for everything like taxes, license, permits, etc. A tax lien or legal judgment on your record might be detrimental to your credit score if you were careless. That's why you need to keep an eye on your public records for your own benefit. Even if it's not the most glamorous aspect of running the business, it's one of the most important things to do. After that, concentrate on keeping a sound financial basis. This entails maintaining a positive cash flow, lowering debt, and raising sales. Indeed, we know it's simpler said than done, but with a little work and some wise financial decisions, you can succeed. Lenders and suppliers will be eager to work with you when you're financially secured and reliable. So let's get to work and creating some solid financial basis and showcasing your capabilities to the world. You undoubtedly want to see your company credit score rise, but keep in mind that doing so takes time. The actions I discussed today must be consistently followed. You must exercise patience and work towards objectives. Expecting success overnight is unrealistic because establishing solid credit takes time and effort. I assure you that it will be worthwhile in the end. You'll be able to expand your business more efficiently and have access to better funding and suppliers if your business have a high credit score. So you must remain dedicated to the process and keep in mind that every tiny step matters. Your business credit score will rise over time and you'll be able to benefit from your efforts. If you want to learn about building your business credit and increase your overall revenues for your business, you want to subscribe to my channel. I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.